Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to assign tasks in Basecamp step by step. Assigning tasks helps your team stay organized by making it clear who is responsible for each piece of work and when it needs to be completed. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to assign tasks. Once you're inside the project, click the To-Dos tool to view your existing task lists or create a new one. Next, click Add a To-Do or New To-Do and enter a clear task name. Make the title specific so your teammates immediately understand what needs to be done without opening the task. After creating the task, assign it to the appropriate team member by selecting their name from the assignee or assigned to field. You can also set a due date to help everyone track deadlines and stay on schedule. If needed, open the task to add more details. Include instructions, checklists, links, or file attachments so the assigned person has everything they need to complete the work. Team members can also leave comments, ask questions, and mark the task as complete when they're finished. Finally, review your to-do list regularly to monitor progress, update deadlines if necessary, and make sure all assigned tasks are moving forward. Keeping your task lists organized helps the entire team stay productive and aligned, and that's it. You now know how to assign tasks in Basecamp and keep your projects organized with clear responsibilities and deadlines. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next